I will show you how to animate the character. This is the default mannequin character from the Unreal Engine 5, and I'm doing this in the Cascadeur. So I'll open the scene. I will do this 2-second animation. So what I need to animate this character and to make him balancing on the thing like we are doing on the video. So let's get started. I have seen basically what I want. I put it down, and the first step is that I will put the mannequin a little bit down, just a little bit. Okay, so we will start from this position. A little bit rotation of this foot, a little bit rotation of this foot, like this. I will not be talking much, but okay, so what we have to do, we need this position. Okay, so yeah, looking from the sides. Right now I'm putting the mouse up, the hands up, and to the side, and to another side. So here, something like this. Basically the head is going down. Okay, one hand is a little bit up, and here one hand is a little bit down. Okay, so our start position is done. Then let's take a look what is going on then. Then as you can see, he's moving a little bit of his hand, of his foot, and he's moving a little bit of his hands. So here we have the moment when his foot is up. Okay, so we will put like this. After that, we can move those points, but when we will test it, we will move the points. So we have the hands, the foot here. We have this hand is going down. Basically, I can do this better. I can look from the top and to make him okay, like this. It will be easier for me. So I'm going from this side and I'm doing this like this. So basically he's trying to catch the balance. Okay, so we have the second position. Now let's take a look what we have again. The next one is, as you can see, the both feet are down and the hands are back. So we are putting another point here. We are putting the feet down. And after that, we are taking our hands. I think that here I will do with the rotation like this and like this. And what I really love in the Cascadeur that we can see here this thing, and this is the like the root, I don't know how to say this. So the center of mass, and this is the great thing because we can see if we have the balance here. So we have here the center of mass, and we can see that our character is balancing, and that right now his balance is okay. So I think we can move a little bit both hands back. Okay, and if I will move, as you can see, the balance is moving, so we are balancing here on our feet. Okay, cool. So the next point, what do we have here next? And now the next thing is, so we can see that this foot is going up and the hands are going down. So he's moving with his hands and with his foot. Okay, so we are putting this foot a little bit up, and we are putting our hands a little bit down. Only the hands, not the shoulders. So don't move the shoulders. We are moving only the hands. Okay. I guess that if I will do it like this, maybe it will be even better. Okay, so the next position is done. Let's take a look what we have else. The next step is that the hands are down and the foot is up. Okay, so we will add here more. Let's say like this. 120, and I will put another point here. So it's very important, the K. This is very important to put the Ks before you are doing this. I'm not using the AutoK function because I don't like it, that it can make me troubles and put the Ks where I don't want them to be. So I'm doing this manually like this. I have more control on it. Okay, so right now we have our hands down and we are moving this feet. So I will put it a little bit up and here. After that, we will make the micro movements. So this, I don't care about it right now. Okay, so what do we have else? And the last thing is, again, that both feet are down and the hands are a little bit up. So I'm adding, I can add immediately a lot, but I don't like it also. So this is up on you how you will do it. Okay, so I'm adding another key and I will move both hands here. Okay. And I will move this hand here. I will move this hand here. Another excellent thing in the Unreal is that if Unreal in the Cascadeur is this one. So I will click the Control Shift on my keyboard, and as you can see, this is changed the position of the hands for more natural, like it will be in the real person in the real life. Okay, Shift Sit, and as you can see, our hands position is very natural for this position. Okay, I almost forgot about the foot, so I will leave it back on the floor. Now I will use this. This is called Bezier. Transitions between our keys, and let's see what do we have. So as you can see, this is very slowly. And this is jumping. Why this is jumping? This is jumping because we didn't add the last key, which will be the same as the first one. Here, I'm clicking the Shift and the middle button of my mouse, and I'm putting the last key exactly the same as it could be. Again, I put here the Bezier. And now let's take a look. As you can see, here is the circle. If I will do the hands, I have almost circle, and we will check this right now. We will see what do we have. Okay, so the person is balancing. Let's see this from this side. Not natural look. Okay, so I will stop this and I will do it manually. Like this. This one is good. This, I don't like this one. So as you can see, the position of the hands in this point is not natural at all. So to fix this, I will move it here and I will move it here. Okay, so let's see what do we have. Again. Okay, so our character is trying to catch the balance. So cool. I will stop this. I will move a little bit his head. Because of course, if we are trying to catch the balance, we are moving a little bit with our head. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, now let's change our points. I will remove this transition and I will add, for example, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, and 60 seconds. Let's take a look. What do we have here? Okay, I'm changing the last point to 60. I'm doing this like this, and let's see. foods are not looking good. Okay, so we can add, so for example, this food is going up, and this is logical that when the food is going up, it is moving like this. Okay, and here we are like this to make it more natural. Okay, now I will add another K here to move it a little bit. Then this food is going up. Again, I will move those, not this one, but this one. Okay. Maybe a little more like this. Okay, so I will change its position here. Cool. Give it back. Excellent. Play. Okay, what do we have here? So let's take a look at the video again. Right. Okay, and he's moving from side to side. So when our hands are going back, so our body is going forward a little bit, just a little bit, here and here. And now, okay, like this. And when our hands are very back, so our body is very forward. So we are trying to catch the balance, right? Okay, just a little bit. Here, we will leave it like this. And then my body is going back, maybe even like this. And like this. Okay, I'm doing all my best to get the balance. Okay. And the last one is the same, so let's take a look. Okay, good. So now I want to see what is offering me. Auto posing. The posing is almost the same, so it doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Now I don't like, first of all, I want to make it faster. So maybe I will even do like this. Okay, let's take a look. And what I really don't like is that it is not circle. So I will do this one and I will click this button which say create circle. I will remove this point, F. This one will be last one. Let's take a look. Okay, now it's time to play with the smoothness. And also when we will put this on the scene, it will be a little bit better when we will look this, watch this on the scene with the and other things which are around us. But the main idea is like this. So basically, as you can see, this is moving. We have the different motions. We can move this smoother, faster, more, not so fast, and so on. So basically, it was the idea.